Well, welcome to Westby, Wisconsin. July 30th, 2022, our 7th annual Sweet Rides and Sweet Pies. Got about 185 cars here today. Beautiful sunny day. Cars from all over the area, Wisconsin, Iowa, Minnesota. Here we are with a group of cars that are from people here, local Westby people. This one happens to belong to Rodney Jensen. It's a 1954 Chevy pickup truck. Happens to be a 5-window pickup, so it's a pretty special vehicle. Next car is belongs to Kevin Steenberg here in Westby. We call him Bear. It's a 1968 Oldsmobile 442. It is a tribute car, a hearse tribute car, meaning that he's added some things to it to make it look like a hearse. So again, very special car though. Car belongs to Red's son, Corey Anderson. This would be a 1969 Chevy Chevelle SS. So here we're standing in front of the Thorson House, which is the home of the Westby Area Historical Society. Sweet Rides and Sweet Pies is put on by the Historical Society, and so it is our main fundraiser, annual fundraiser. You can see behind me here we've got people standing in line for the pie and ice cream today. This event started out as a pie and ice cream social, went on for many years. And so the last 7 years we've had the car show, and that's how we came up with Sweet Rides and Sweet Pies. What brings you to Westby today?
I love being up here with these Norwegians, especially when they bring these neat, unique cars out. And it's a great car show, and I love the pie.
Nice to see you, Tony.
This is fabulous.
This is something else, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, so these are some great friends of mine. Car people.
Very much a car.
Very much a car person. So first time?
First time for myself, yeah.
And first time?
First time here.
First time Tony too. So
it's just wow. That's all I can say.
It's unbelievable. But yes. So yep, 2 new car people to bring to town. I don't know if they're here for the pie and ice cream, if they're here for the cars. Go ahead and tell us a little bit about your cars.
Well, this is our '68 Camaro RS SS car from California originally. This is the one I spent all winter building for my wife, the convertible. It's from Mississippi originally. This was supposed to be a flip car, but my wife fell in love with it, so now you know the story. And we come down to this show every year because it's a great show. Yeah, they got great pie, the people are great, they draw a good amount of nice cars here, and we're always happy to come down here. I think we have 32 cars down here today from our club.
Wow.
And it's just a great show. Weather was great. It was really good. We appreciate you letting us.
You bet. No, we appreciate you guys coming. And we know Blaine's always going to bring a number of cars. We always have an award for the club that has the most cars here. Yeah. It's always a given. You might as well just give it to them before they get here.
Maybe somebody else got one.
Okay, we're here with John Jensen. He's got a '67 Dodge Dart drag car. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. You can see there's quite a bit of horsepower in this one.
That's a 572 cubic inch big block Chrysler. So it runs 9 flat, about 148 miles an hour.
Wow.
Coilover shocks, front and back. Just brakes all the way around.
You drive it? Your son drives it? You both drive it?
My son drives it.
Okay.
So you have to be licensed to drive it.
Okay.
So,
very nice. Well, thank you very much. We sure appreciate you coming to Westby. Take care. These folks are originally from California, recently moved to Wisconsin, and I don't know, how many shows have you been to?
This is our second one.
Second one.
You know what, though? We were at the first one, and Maury won.
Way back in
Yeah.
number 1.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you have been at 1 and you've been at 6 and 7.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah,
We just missed
perfect.
the ones in between.
Obviously we had a beautiful day in Westby and one heck of a turnout of cars. Can you tell us a little bit about what this does for Westby and the Westby community and the business community and downtown, and how this does impact the town?
Any of these type of events are great for everyone in town. We all benefit because you bring people to town and they want to stop at the restaurant, stop at the gas station, stop at the grocery store. So these type of events are great for all of us, and we look forward to this event every year.
Great. Well, we sure thank you for your input. We thank you for your sponsorship. Again, we've got over 60 different businesses and individuals in this town that sponsor trophies, and you know, that without them we could not make this happen the way we make it happen, and that's the reason we got the turnout we do, and so appreciate it.